Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages without backup. The first method is via local database. WhatsApp creates backups to your Android phone automatically when you do not enable WhatsApp backup to Google Drive. Typically, the data is available on the SD card, WhatsApp databases section on Android phones, since most users keep the external SD card as their primary storage location. Otherwise, it saves in the main storage section, internal memory. Remember that the local backup of deleted messages will only remain for 7 days. So, use this tactic within that time. First, go to the internal storage, then select the backup file you want to restore and rename it from message store, year, month, and date, or message store.db.crypt14. Next, uninstall the WhatsApp app from your phone. Go to Google Play Store and download the new version of the app. Then open the installed app, add your details like the phone number and name. At the installation time, you will see a prompt on the next screen asking if you want to restore the backup chats from your phone. Press the restore button to confirm the recovery process will start. After the sequence is completed, follow on screen to finish the entire installation process. And you can know how to get deleted WhatsApp chat. The method 2, using Google Drive. And the last, you can use other apps. It's a good idea to create a backup of your WhatsApp messages before deleting them, especially if you want to keep a record of them. You can back up your chats by going to WhatsApp, Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and selecting the backup option that suits your needs. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.